Hi everyone, today we're gonna make some cute little donuts. We even took a little bite out of this one. I wonder what flavor you're gonna make. Are you gonna make lemon frosting or cherry frosting, blueberry frosting, or plain old vanilla frosting? Are you gonna use the same color brown paper I used to make just kind of a original flavored donut, or are you gonna go crazy and change that color too? Let's jump right into it. So the first thing we're gonna do is take, for me, brown paper, but feel free to be creative with your donut flavor paper, and cut it into a circle. This circle is going to be bigger than the frosting circle we're gonna cut out. So I just cut around and around, make sure I'm curving my scissors so I end up with a nice circle. All right, now we're gonna take our frosting and we're gonna cut that into a circle shape. I'm not gonna worry about being too perfect with this circle shape because we're gonna be adding some wobbles to make the frosting a little drippy. Now, I'm kind of running low on my big paper, so I'm using little papers for this. If you had a really big paper, you might even do some really crazy drips. But I'm gonna do some light, delicate drips. So all I do for that is, now that I've made my circle, I'm just gonna do a little wave in, little wave out, little wave in, little wave out, just to make it a little more wobbly. Because frosting is never gonna fall absolutely perfectly smooth. Or at least I can't make it do that, and I don't think most donut stores try. So a little wavy, a little wobbly. If I want an extra little drip, I could do something like that. If I want extra big drips, I can leave them extra big. There we go. So now I have my little frosting. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my frosting on top of my donut, then fold them both in half. I'm not going to press down because I don't need a line down the middle. I'm just going to fold in half just enough to cut out the middle of my donut. So I'm going to cut a little half circle that will make the middle of the donut. And when you unfold it, it's a full circle. Perfect. Now I'm going to glue this down. Nice ring of glue. Line this up perfectly. Beautiful. So now I have my frosting on my donut. Now if I want to do one more fun thing with my scissors, I can add a bite taken out of the donut. It's optional. You can do it either way. If I want a bite taken out of my donut, all I do is I do little curve, little curve, little curve. So I'm doing like a half circle out of little curves to take a little nibble out of my donut. Those little curves make it look like you have little teeth marks. Awesome. So now you can decorate. You could do dots or dashes to make sprinkles. You can make any little bit of candy you want. I'm gonna go with simple, easy little sprinkles today by doing little lines in different directions. It's important to switch your direction so it looks random. Can't have all the sprinkles going in the same direction. Then it looks like you placed every single sprinkle to go in the same direction. My goodness, that would take a lot of patience. So it'll look more real if you do it switching directions and looking a little random. Okay, I think I'm gonna add one more color. Then I think we're done. How quick and easy is this project? And you'll have an adorable little pretend tree. But that is how you make a donut. How cute are these? I hope you have so much fun, and who knows, maybe you'll even make a little collection like I have. Take care, enjoy, see you in the next one.